There's Noogie Thai to complete the stone inspiration from Grounded. On damp hair, apply 1 to 2 pumps of super skinny serum mid-shaft through ends. This is a lightweight silicone product that's going to help to give a frizz-free, silky, polished end result. Blow dry the hair using a flat wrap blow dry technique, keeping that hair very tight and sleek to the head shape to give you that very smooth polish for this beautiful bob. I love seeing this color come to life as the hair dries. You have that deeper bit near the face frame representing what stone looks like while it's wet, and that lighter blonde on the outside is representing what stone looks like in its dry form.